Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
The Sunshine Girls have jumped up to third in the latest netball rankings. The rankings, which was released on Thursday, sees Jamaica move up one spot to third after their 2-1 Vitality Netball Series win against England. Their opponents, England, have dropped one place to fourth. Australia remains number one with New Zealand in the second spot. Trinidad and Tobago is the next best placed Caribbean nation in 11th, with Barbados up next in 16th. The Jamaica Basketball Association, JABA, is actively lobbying the leadership of the International Basketball Federation, FIBA, to change the rule which excludes players who did not obtain their passports before the age of 16 from representing the national team in international competitions. This rule has seen Jamaica struggle to use up to 4 NBA players and others who are plying their trade in the leagues across Europe. JABA President Paulton Gordon revealed that talks are ongoing with FIBA's General Secretary Andreas Zaklis to try and find a solution.
There was some rule changes over the last probably 7-8 years where, unlike football, you can't just play because you have Jamaican connection. You have to acquire your passport before the age of 16, or else we can only include one person on that roster who has acquired their Jamaican passport after the age of 16. So that's something that we're discussing with the parent body, FIBA, and looking to see how we can circumvent some of those things, because we have a number of players knocking on the door asking to play for Jamaica. Because of that rule, we have to abide by those and be very strategic in terms of how we approach this.
He was speaking on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill on Wednesday. Jamaica recorded their second win of the Jewels of the Caribbean Under-20 Women's Football Championship as they defeated Trinidad and Tobago White Angels 4-0 on Wednesday. This follows their 7-0 hammering of Dominica on Tuesday. The Under-20 Reggae Girls will next be in action today against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Angels at 3 p.m. Jamaica time at the Larry Gomes Stadium. And finally, the West Indies will try to salvage something from their T20 series against Bangladesh when they play the third game at the Arnesvale ground in St. Vincent today. The West Indies have lost a T20 international series to Bangladesh for the first time in 6 years after the visitors took an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their 3-match series, courtesy of a 27-run win in Arnesvale on Tuesday night. Captain and Jamaican Rovman Powell says things have to change.
Yeah, definitely. It has become something of major concern now, where we have keep on over the same duration of the games, make the same mistakes. It's something that need rectifying at the moment. Not being able to chase 129 is not good enough at this level.
The Windies have been forced into one change for the third T20 as Akil Hussain will leave the squad due to franchise commitment, with Jaden Seals named as his replacement. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.